In this video, I want to help you make your first $100 or even $500. This is a tried and a true method that works. There is no investment required and it's available to all countries. Before we go any further, welcome to Sociio Media, where we teach you the most up-to-date making money online ideas, tips and tricks. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the like button and press the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. Before we get to the website, you'll need to create and have your own PayPal account, so go to paypal.com and create an account for free. If you don't want to do, then you may set up your own bank account online by searching for online bank accounts in my country on Google and signing up for a totally free account on that online banking website. Now, first and foremost, I want to show you proof that this absolutely works. As you can see, I made this amount of money straight on this platform. There are actually ways you can utilize the platform and generate a lot more money. But I just wanted to show you proof that it works. And then you can see this payment that I received, the deposit to my PayPal account. This is one of the many places where I receive money immediately to my PayPal account. You can also establish other online businesses. As I mentioned, there are many various methods to make money using the platform that I'm about to discuss with you in this video. I'm going to discuss Fiverr affiliates in today's video. I know a lot of you have heard of this website called Fiverr. But we're not going to be freelancers or offer services on Fiverr, but instead, I'm going to show you something unique that no one else is talking about, which is how to become a Fiverr affiliate. So in this situation, you won't have to sell anything or provide any services. Instead, we'll be smart and earn daily commissions on the Fiverr platform. You can promote this site and get people to sign up on various services and earn quite large commissions by doing so. We don't need any skills, we don't have to sell anything to anyone, and we can actually earn daily money simply by promoting the Fiverr platform. So don't worry, this is going to be a very simple lesson for anyone. But notice that, at the end of this video, I'll show you a bonus that will do 100% of the work for you. Now let me answer your most important question. How much money can you earn with this website? We can look at the commission plan to see how much money we can make. You can see Fiverr commission plans here, and there are basically two types of plans. Fiverr CPA, $15 to $150. And Fiverr Hybrid, which I'll explain in detail how exactly all of this strategy works. First, we look at the Fiverr CPA commission, which we can make around $15 up to $150. How do we know that we can make $15 to $150? It depends on the category and services that you promote. For example, if you have $150 in commission from only one single payment, you're going to promote the Fiverr Pro services. So for now, I'll just show you some of the Fiverr Pro services that we have to recommend to people. For example, some of the Pro logo design services are about this amount, which you can see here, and more of those Fiverr Pro services can be found here. Most Pro services are quite expensive, costing hundreds or even thousands of dollars, which is why they'll pay you a large commission of over $150 when you successfully refer a sale. The best part is that it doesn't matter if your customer purchases a $100 service or a $3,000 service, you'll still earn a consistent $150. If you keep watching this video, I'll show you a couple of techniques for targeting people and selling to them, as well as referring them to a variety of Fiverr Pro services where you may earn $150 over and over again. Let's imagine you're paid $50 for referring people to other services, but you actually direct them to the whiteboard in Animated Explainer. Now, when I click on this link, you can see all of the services that we can recommend to others and earn a $50 flat commission. Now, if you refer them to this service and then buy it, you can still earn $50, which is incredible. It doesn't matter what kind of services they buy. Even if it's just $5 worth of favorite services, you can still earn $50, which is an incredible commission plan. These are all the different categories that you can promote and earn a flat commission of $50. They're going to provide you different categories. For example, web design, mobile design, and e-commerce development. All of these categories are $40 commissions. And you may direct them to the logo makers, web programming, website content, proofreading, and so on, for a $30 commission. Then, there's a $25 commission for writing articles, doing voiceovers, and providing virtual support. You may refer to any of these categories and make $25, and the rest of the categories can earn $15. In this video, I'll teach you the quickest and best way to make money with this Fiverr affiliate program. And I'll show you how to consistently earn $150 in commissions. I just want you to consider this: if you can refer just one person to this website for pro services, such as this one, you can earn $150 per day for $4,500 per month, which is incredible. And you can simply refer people to this website for pro services, and the customer will pay you $150 in commissions. So, that's actually a much better way to make money on Fiverr than being a freelancer. Because being a freelancer requires a lot of skill. You have to wait for people to buy your services, and you have to spend a lot of time, which is a pain. And we are not going to do that. Instead, we are going to earn commission on the Fiverr affiliate program. Now, let's talk about the second hybrid program. But before we go any deeper, I'll give you some time to subscribe to the channel and give it a big thumbs up. Now, the second way is actually Fiverr hybrid, which means that instead of paying a very high commission one time, they're going to pay you $10 regardless of what services you referred. And then, they're going to share with you $10 of the revenue for the next 12 months. Whatever money is spent on Fiverr, let's say they buy this service and then go on to buy other pro services for $1,000 bundles on Fiverr, you can still earn 10% of the commission that is spent. So that's the complete commission structure that you can enjoy. But I personally prefer the favorite CPA method, where you can get one-time commissions right away. Since that way, I can get paid faster, and we can focus on the Fiverr Pro services, where we can earn $150 over and over again. That's how the commission plan works. So, if you want to join the Fiverr affiliate program, just click this button, and we'll go to this page, where it says join now. Let's choose your account type. If you choose private, you may simply enter your first name, last name, email address, and username. You can enter whatever username you want. Get your password, and then go to the country area, where you can select any country you're from, because they accept people from all over the world. You can select your language, phone number, and Skype account. Once you've done that, you can simply click the next button to sign up. It's actually quite simple, and I'll show you 3 ways in this video. 3 ways to drive traffic, and 3 ways to acquire referrals for Fiverr Pro services. So let's look at the Fiverr Pro services. These are all instances of services that we can refer and make $150 in commission over and over again. From my own personal experience, I believe it is easier for me to concentrate on this category, which is graphic and design. Because it is much easier to refer sales in this category, and there are a lot of demands out there. And I'll show you 3 ways to meet them. For example, if you want to refer people to logo design, we click on this category, and it takes us to this page, where we can see all the different packages. It doesn't matter if you sell an expensive or cheap package, you can still make money. It's a much better way for us to refer them to cheaper packages. Like this one, where you can see the price they're offering. Let's click on it right here. So, you can see the service provider and the seller is a level 1 seller, and a lot of people actually love them, and that's where you can refer your potential customers to this service. And when they buy it, you get paid. Now, the simplest way to gain a lot of referrals to the service is to go to reddit.com, which is essentially a free forum where you can join, and then a lot of people are asking questions. For example, how can I design my website and buy a logo? I'd like to buy a logo, but I'm not sure where to start. What is the best way for me to track down that designer? You may simply search for the specific subject in Reddit search box. For example, where to buy a logo? So, you can do a search for this to check if anyone else has asked about this topic in the Reddit forum. For example, look at this buyer right here. This person is asking about buying anything, and this is where you and I can help out by showing them the link and referring them to the Fiverr Pro services. They might sell their services for them, and you won't have to do any of the work. Simply respond to the Reddit post and with a brief answer, and then repeat the procedure. If only one person buys, we make $150 per day. Another example is this: on Reddit, you can see that there are a lot of people looking for services, and if you're going to promote Fiverr Pro services, you can do it right here. So basically, it's like a website design, graphic design, and mobile design. We can just go back to Reddit and search for other terms, like where to hire a graphic designer, and we can see that people are looking for graphic designers. We can simply join up for a free account on Reddit, reply to them, send them a comment, and then provide a link to bring them to Fiverr Pro services. Like logo design or this website design services, where you can easily earn $150 flat commission if they purchase a basic package. I don't see many people discussing about Reddit, and this is a fantastic opportunity for you. Another free option is to go to different forums such as graphicdesignforum.com. That's where a lot of buyers come and are looking to hire different graphic designers, and here we can get a lot of sales. We can refer them to the Fiverr Pro services and earn $150. And that's it for today. If you love similar content, take a look at my other videos, and make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell. If you have further questions, feel free to comment down below. See you in the next video.